The 2026 Coleman CT 200U continues the legacy of being one of the most approachable and rugged mini bikes on the market. Designed for trails, backyard riding, and light adventure, it offers a simple and dependable ride experience. Its compact size and durable frame make it perfect for beginners and experienced riders who just want pure, uncomplicated fun. Coleman focuses on reliability first, keeping this machine easy to maintain and ready for weekend adventures. Engine and power delivery. At the center of the CT200U is a dependable 196cc air-cooled engine. The power delivery is smooth and predictable, providing enough torque to climb small hills and handle rough paths with confidence. Rather than chasing top speed, the bike emphasizes control and low-end pull. The automatic centrifugal clutch keeps operation simple. Just twist the throttle and go, making it accessible for riders of all ages. Design and build quality. The 2026 model keeps the recognizable rugged look, featuring a steel tube frame built to handle bumps, dirt, and rough terrain. Its wide tires increase stability and traction, especially on loose surfaces. The padded seat offers better comfort than earlier models, while reinforced foot pegs and a sturdy front rack add utility. Everything about the design suggests durability and practicality, rather than flash or complexity. Handling and ride comfort. The CT200U is engineered for slow, controlled riding instead of aggressive speeds. The suspension absorbs small bumps effectively, allowing riders to explore trails comfortably. Its lightweight design makes maneuvering easy, even in tight or uneven areas. The low seat height helps riders feel secure and grounded, encouraging confidence during trail exploration and casual off-road rides. Safety and maintenance. Drum brakes at the front and rear provide consistent stopping power, suitable for the bike's modest speeds. The protective chain guard and engine shield help defend against debris, extending the life of components. Maintenance remains simple, with easy access to the air filter, spark plug, and fuel system. This straightforward approach ensures owners can perform most basic upkeep at home without specialized tools. Who the CT200U is for? The 2026 Coleman CT200U is designed for families, first-time riders, and anyone seeking a low-stress off-road machine. It's ideal for campsite riding, backyard trails, hunting properties, and recreational use. Rather than being a performance race bike, it serves as an entry-level trail companion that focuses on enjoyment, simplicity, and affordability. Conclusion. Simple, reliable trail enjoyment. With its durable design, easy maintenance, and approachable power, the 2026 Coleman CT200U remains a trusted choice for casual off-road enthusiasts. It delivers exactly what it promises: reliable fun, accessible riding, and the spirit of adventure in a small but capable package.